If you are getting a low memory error message in Adobe After Effects, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to share with you some quick and easy steps we can take to resolve this memory issue. Now, before we start, it's always a good idea to make sure our app is fully up to date, as outdated software can cause errors and just hinder the overall performance of After Effects. So let's head over to the Creative Cloud application by coming to the Start menu and searching for Creative Cloud and clicking on this one here. Then once you're inside of the Creative Cloud app, we need to come over to Updates from the right-hand side here, and if there's an update available for After Effects, then we just need to hit this Update button here. And once you're fully up to date, we can then launch After Effects. And inside of the application, we need to come into Edit from the top left-hand side, inside of Preferences, and we need to come over to Memory and Performance. Then inside of here, you'll see this Memory section, and we just want to slide this number all the way down to the absolute minimum. And by decreasing the RAM reserved for other applications, this is going to increase the RAM available for After Effects. So for me, it lets me take this number down to 3 GB, which means I have 20 GB available for After Effects. Now, this might mean your background applications are slightly slower when After Effects is running, but it will improve the overall performance of the application. Now, whilst we're inside of this Preferences window, you need to come over to Media and Disk Cache from the left here, and we're going to increase this maximum disk cache size. Now, I've already got mine set to 73 GB, which is quite a lot. You just need to ensure that you actually have that amount of data available in your C drive. But I think having this number at around 70 GB is a kind of good starting point. And then we're going to come down to this section and select Clean Database and Cache. And then we can press OK to save all of our changes. And the next thing we're going to change is inside of this preview window. And we're going to come down to these options here, and you'll usually have this set to full, but we're going to change this to half. And what this is going to do is it's going to reduce the playback quality in this preview window, but it will improve the performance and it won't affect any exporting when you export the video. And another thing you want to do regularly when you're using After Effects is come over to Edit, then come down to Purge, and you need to select all memory and disk cache. Then we can just press OK to this confirmation message, and it's good practice to do this regularly when working throughout your video. Now, that should have already sped up the application, but another thing we can do is head out of After Effects, and we're going to come over to our Start menu and search for Task Manager. And inside of the Task Manager, we just want to close down any background applications that we're not currently using. And we can even order this in which ones are using the most amount of resources by hitting this CPU button here. And then you just need to right click and select End Task on anything you're not currently using. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that should have fixed any memory issues you're having in After Effects. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.